Hey there, football aficionados and finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're stepping into the world of one of the most iconic football clubs on the planet, Real Madrid. We'll dive into their financial strategies, explore their revenue sources, unveil their spending patterns, and get a sneak peek into their future plans. So, whether you're a die-hard fan or just curious about the business side of the beautiful game, this one's for you. Segment 1, A Legacy of Glory. Let's start with a quick history lesson. Real Madrid was founded in 1902 and has since become a global football powerhouse, synonymous with triumph and excellence. From the days of Di Stefano to the reign of Cristiano Ronaldo, their legacy on the pitch is unparalleled. Segment 2, The Financial Scorecard. Now, let's talk numbers. As of my last update in September 2021, Real Madrid consistently ranks among the top-earning football clubs. In the 2019-2020 season, they reported revenues exceeding €750 million. These revenues come from various sources: matchday earnings, broadcasting rights, sponsorship deals, and merchandising. Segment 3, The Galactico Strategy. Ever heard of the Galactico Strategy? Real Madrid is known for its big-ticket signings of star players. These high-profile transfers not only make headlines but can also significantly impact the club's finances. Balancing these marquee signings while staying within financial boundaries is a delicate art. Segment 4, Revenue Streams Beyond Football. But Real Madrid's financial prowess extends beyond the pitch. Their Santiago Bernabéu stadium isn't just a venue, it's a revenue-generating machine. Hosting events, concerts, and tours adds to the club's coffers. Additionally, their brand value and massive global fanbase play a key role in attracting sponsorships and partnerships. Segment 5, Future Kicks and Goals. What's on the horizon for Real Madrid? The club's visionary plans include a massive renovation of the Santiago Bernabéu stadium, making it not just a sporting venue but a hub for entertainment and commerce. These moves show that Real Madrid is investing not only in football but in an entire experience. Conclusion: from their legacy on the field to their financial strategies off it, Real Madrid's story is one of passion, perseverance, and sound business decisions. Their ability to balance big signings, diverse revenue streams, and future-focused plans exemplifies their mastery beyond the pitch. Whether you're cheering from the stands or analyzing from the sidelines, Real Madrid's financial playbook is a fascinating narrative that transcends sport. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and until next time, keep the excitement alive, on and off the field.